Samsung Galaxy XCover7 specifications. The Samsung Galaxy XCover7 sports a 6.6-inch FHD Plus display with 2400 x 1080 pixels resolution, a standard 60 Hz refresh rate, 20:9 aspect ratio, wet touch, glove mode, and Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. The rugged phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus 6 nanometers processor with Arm Mali-G57 MC2 GPU for graphics. The chipset is paired with 6 GB RAM and 128 GB storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB via a microSD card. The phone runs on Android 14 with Samsung One UI 6 custom skin out of the box. The Samsung Galaxy XCover7 ships with Samsung Knox Vault. Customers can customize via XCover Key. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 800 and 2.11 AX, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS plus GLONASS, NFC, Type-C USB 3.2, and POGO Pin for charging only. The Samsung Galaxy XCover7 features a 50MP primary rear camera with f1, 8 aperture and an LED flash. There is a 5MP front camera for selfies and video chats. The phone features an IP68 rating for water and dust resistance and MIL STD 810H US military standard. The handset measures 169.0 x 80.1 x 10.2 mm and weighs 240 grams. The Samsung XCover7 packs a 4050 mAh battery, which is removable. The Samsung Galaxy XCover7 ships with Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus protection. The display also allows for adjustments to tough sensitivity, which makes it easy for customers to use for workers wearing gloves. There is also a POGO charging pin for convenient recharging. There is also a programmable key for customizable shortcuts, and Samsung Knox Vault makes it easy for data safety. Thanks for watching!